Hi everyone, today we are making vegetarian chicken tortilla wraps, and for that we will need capsicum, some sliced onions, some tomatoes sliced, and some finely diced onions, tomatoes, green chili if you want, and Moki's vegetarian chicken. In a pan, you're going to add some oil, heat it up, and add ginger garlic paste. Once that is done, you'll add in onions, tomatoes, and a little bit of salt, and just let it get cooked for about 1 minute. You'll add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, and a little bit of garam masala as well. So once that is fully done, you will add in the moki chicken. I'm just taking it out directly from the packet and freshly into the pan. It smells aromatic right now. It smells so good. Once that is fully stir fried, we'll add in just a little bit of water so that it becomes softer, and adding approximately half a spoon of pizza sauce or Szechuan chutney if you want. You can add in red chili sauce, soy sauce, or green chili sauce, whatever kind of taste you want to give it to it. So adding a bit of Szechuan chutney as well, giving it a fair mix, and it's done. We'll just take the stuffing out in a plate, and we'll clean the pan for our next step. Now we'll just cook the raw vegetables so that we can enjoy the flavor as well as the crunchiness of all the vegetables. So just put in your sliced capsicum, onions, carrots, and tomatoes all at once, and just saute it for about a minute, not more than that. And you have to take it out in a bowl, and we'll move on to the next step, that is to cook the chapati. So for this I'm using wheat chapati. You can also use an all-purpose flour chapati, or you can get the Malabar parotas or Kerala parotas from outside and make the recipe out of that. So just adding a little bit of butter, and I have put my roti and I'll cook it from both the sides. Not too much because we also have to add the stuffing and cook it again. So once you feel that it is almost done, you'll take it out in a plate, add your favorite sauces. I have added a little bit of mayonnaise, the sauteed vegetables, and then our mock chicken filling. You can add as much as you want, and you can customize this. You can add the sauces according to your likes and dislikes. And once done, we'll just wrap the chapati like this, and we'll cook it again so that it becomes more crunchy. Flip it over and make it crispy from both the sides, and then you can serve it out in a plate. You can also eat it with green chutney or even tomato ketchup. Everything is fine. Just look at the tortilla wraps. It's filled with stuffing, it's healthy, it's delicious, and you have to try out this recipe.